Hey everybody, my name is Daniel, and I'm talking about uploading your app to the App Store today. A show of hands, who has uploaded an app to the App Store for test flight? Cool. I'm going to try to make eye contact since these are the people I'm trying to talk to. So wouldn't it be nice if we could use Swift instead of, say, tapping through a long set of screens in Xcode, or using Ruby with Fastlane, because then you got to worry about RBM versus RBM. Worry about Ruby gems. Would be nice if we could use Swift. I think it would be nice. I like Swift. Wouldn't it be nice if we could specify the scheme of the app that we want to build using a call something like this, xcodebuild, say the SDK that we're building for some options like allow provisioning updates? Would it be nice if we could then take the structure and archive our app to an artifacts directory, perhaps, and log out the output of that to a log file instead of having it, fart all over our screen? Would it be nice if we could then take that archive and export the IPA? And then wouldn't it also be nice if we could then upload that IPA using Swift, using agvtool? Wouldn't it be nice? Well, if perhaps you can see this comment, it's available today. The library is here on my GitHub, ShXcrun. And this is what it might look like if I forgot to start my timer, crap. This is what it might look like if we put it all together. We might import Foundation and ShXcrun. Oh, my mouse is not letting me scroll through the, this is supposed to be scrollable. You can see the scroll view kind of highlighting. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, SH is for running shell commands. And so I'm just using it to show that you can use other shell commands. You probably wouldn't use the shell just to delete, to reset and create a logs and artifacts directory. But then we could, specify some variables like the export options path, the archive path that we're going to export to, the export options, like which contains the method app store and the team ID. Those are the most important ones, and they're all described in the documentation of Apple. So we can export this plist to our artifacts directory. Is my mouse coming through? Okay, yep. I'll pretend this. Yes. Oh, okay, it is. Okay, cool. Then as you showed before, you can specify xcodebuild, maybe specify the path to the workspace or the project. Those are optional parameters as well. And then archive, export the archive, and upload. And there is no step 4. Thank you so much. My website's FullQueueDeveloper.com, and you can follow me on GitHub and Twitch. And also, I have a sponsors page up. Thank you so much, Zach, for sponsoring my work so I can stop consulting and do cool projects full time. Any questions?
What kind of technology do you guys use? Do you use under the hood to do the request? Is it just you're executing shell commands underneath the code?
SH is a little bit of a library that I wrote. It's a small extension over the process class from Foundation that basically, it lets you do stuff like this. And that's what's under the hood for these other calls. We're just running xcrun, xcodebuild, and then this kind of strings together the command line arguments for you. And if you know all those, you can use just sh directly if you like, or this gives you just a little bit more of reminders of what the API is. So you're not having to look through the man command for xcodebuild.
So on your build machine, you would run your Swift script, essentially.
Yeah, or locally. A lot of my projects, I'm the solo developer, so I run it locally as well.
Cool.
That looks awesome.
Thank you. Yeah, here's the URL for it, and it has a link to a sample project, so you can see how it looked like in a hello world, app.
What do you stream on Twitch?
I write software, I make apps. I don't do any client work on stream right now, but yeah, I work on open source stuff like this. What I'm working on right now is an authentication server in Vapor in server-side Swift. And before that, I was working on, I have a Subway app in the App Store for both iOS and for Android. I was working on that on stream. Yeah, mostly coding.
Like actual Subway, not like the place to eat at. And most of these guys live in Nebraska, so we don't really have like, I don't know, that many Subways, so it's not that standard, but it's a pretty cool app. It's pretty robust, so.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was definitely thinking of the restaurant.
Oh, I'm getting hungry now.
Cool, thanks.
Great job.